Good morning everyone. How are you all doing? Hope you had a good rest on Thursday. Alright, let's start our class with Maths Activity Book 1A. Alright, this is the last chapter for 1A. Then from Monday we will be starting 1B and I will be teaching up new chapter. I'll introduce new chapter to you all. Okay, let's begin with our class. Open up to your page number 171. As you can see here, I've written page number 171, which is this one, Review 4. It's towards the end of your book. We are done with this chapter. Now we will just do the review on shapes and length. The two chapters which we have learned, shapes and length, we will do the review together. This is review number 4. Alright, page number 171 and 172 we will do in class, and 173 and 174 will be for homework. Okay, as you can see here, I have already written for you. Strike the word name, write down Friday. Make sure your F is capital. Alright, now Friday, strike the word class, write down CW. CW should be capital. Good. Then today's date, 30th October 2020. Please do not write half date. I do not want to see half word. There are some children who are writing 30th Oct. Okay, and then 2020. Some are writing 30th October. That's it. So I don't want this. Please, this is not the first time. This is your second term. By now you should know how to write the date. So please write a complete date. Let's begin the lesson. It's very simple. They say color the shapes. The topic is color the shapes. Instruction. Letter A. With 3 sides and 3 corners yellow. Okay, you have to color the shapes with 3 sides and 3 corners. So 3 sides and 3 corners. That will be a triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners is a triangle. So you have to color this triangle. There are how many triangles? 1, 2, 3. So 3 triangles, you have to color them yellow. Next, color the shapes. Letter B. This is A. What is B? With 4 sides and 4 corners blue that are round orange. Okay, color the shapes with 4 sides and 4 corners blue. So 4 sides and 4 corners can be a square or a rectangle. They did not mention color, opposite sides are the same. They did not say anything. They just said color the 4 sides, okay, the shape which has 4 sides and 4 corners. So color them blue. So you have here, you have one rectangle, big rectangle and one small rectangle, one big square and one small square. So you have here 2 squares and 2 rectangles, color them blue. Okay, next comes your third instruction, which says color the shapes that are round, color them orange. The shapes which are round, there is only a circle which is round in shape. So color the circle orange. So later, make sure when you color them neatly. Now, let's go to the question number 2, the activity what they are going to give us. Okay, the next instruction, again there are shapes, you got to read. There are dashed circles. Please quickly count how many circles are there. Okay, have you counted? Are we ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big or small doesn't matter. You have to count them. Whether they are big or small, it does not matter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Now, they say there are 5 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 circles. Very confusing because there are big and small. If you still are confused like me, we recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did not see this 2, so I wrote 5, but they are not 5, there are 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 circles. How many rectangles? Count the rectangles, very tricky. So there are how many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rectangles. And how many triangles? They have not asked you about a square, but they have asked you about a triangle. So there are only 2 triangles so far. I can see only 2 triangles. Let me look very carefully if I miss out. Yes, there are only 2 triangles. Okay, there are only 2 triangles. There are 7 circles, 5 rectangles and 2 triangles. Quickly write on the number. Let's go to page number 172. Open up your 172 as we are doing in class. Write down CW. Page number 172. Write down CW. Copy this. Capital C, capital W. Draw a tiny line, small line, short line using a ruler. Okay, here. Circle the shape that comes next in each pattern. You got to circle the shape. Why? Because they have given you an option. We follow the pattern. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. Correct. It's a rectangle. So circle the answer rectangle quickly. Alright, next one, letter B. Letter B. So let me write here so that you have a triangle and you have a rectangle. The first one, answer is a rectangle. Now, letter B, let's follow the shape. Here, all are squares but different size. Small square, big square, big square, small square. Big square, small square. Big square, small square. Next is a what? Big square or small square? Yes, it is a big square. Very good. So circle the big square. Now, let's do letter C quickly. Circle. They are all circles but different color. White, gray, white, white, gray, white, white, gray, white. Next is a white, gray, white, white, gray, white, white, gray, white, white. So next one is a white, So this is a triangle. Okay, very tricky. This is this way, this is this way. Now what we will do is, as we have learned our sides, okay, left side, right side. So this is facing towards the right and this is left. So we say right, left, right, left, right, sorry. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Correct, left. So this is the one left, facing, the face is towards the left. Okay, next, letter E. Oh, there are 4 different options. There is a big triangle, small square, small triangle, and a big square. So you have to choose one out of this. Alright, let's do it. Now, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. Next is a big triangle. Beside the big square, there should be a big triangle. Please circle. Alright, once you're done with this, let's go to page number 173, where you can see the shoelace. You got to see, you got to compare P, Q and R, read the instruction, answer. I will share the reference key, but I want you to read yourself and do it because this is a review. So by now, until now, what you have learned, you should be able to answer these all by yourself. How in the class when we usually do it, I give you time and you all do it and then we go through it. In the same way, I will give you the reference key which you will go through it later. But first, I want you to attempt by yourself. Do it yourself. Do not get any help. Read, follow and answer. If you get a wrong answer, please don't worry. It's okay. You can always use an eraser to erase and rewrite the correct answer. But attempt it yourself. Make an attempt to do it yourself. Okay? Page number 173 and 174. This is for homework. Rest. Comes 175 and 176. I want you to omit it. That means we are not going to do that page, okay, because it says the school canteen bench. So now we are not in school, we cannot do this activity. So I am going to omit this page number 175, 176. Omit means we are not going to do that page. No, it's not required. Okay, so what you have to do is, but this one, page number 173 is important. You have to do this yourself, and I want to see 173, 174 done by yourself. Okay, then I will see you later this afternoon for science. Be ready. I will show you some experiments so you will have an interactive and very interesting lesson for science today. I'll see you later. Bye.